Good morning, it's 5 o'clock and I'm about to drive up to Inverary in Scotland. I'm going to join up with the Scottish hovercraft cruise, and I've got a load of camera equipment, some which I borrowed, some new, including this GoPro I'm filming on now, which has just been, it's a replacement of my original GoPro Hero 7, which I first really used last year, and a lot of problems with it. So it got returned and this is the replacement, so hopefully I'll have no problems with this one. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning and it's going to be about 8 to 9 hour drive ahead, not including breaks. It's overcast, raining a little bit down here in the south. It's going to be a little bit colder up the north. I think it's about I don't know, 15 degrees or less, 13 maybe here in Kent. So just trying to check on my car, see what it tells me. 13.5 degrees it says, so it might be about the same when we get there. So let's hope we have a smooth journey. Birmingham in 2.5 hours. I haven't done that for a long time. Normally there's roadworks, traffic hold-ups everywhere. Getting to Birmingham in 2.5 hours is quite good. It used to be like 3 hours as an average, but then traffic has got worse over the years, and yeah, this is quite good. 2.5 hours, making good time, no hold-ups whatsoever. I just stopped for a quick break, needed a wee more than anything else, and picked up something for lunch to eat on the way. Only a very quick stop because I don't really like hanging around. I like to get the journey over and done with. So we're somewhere in Lancashire at the moment. I can't remember the name of the service station, but anyway, we're in Lancashire. So that's it. Had me a little break, comfort break, and now we'll carry on. Rest area just up ahead, so not too far we get to the Scottish border. There we go. Welcome to Scotland. Bad. It's 10:55 and I left to start at 5 in the morning, so 6 hours to get this far, just under 6 hours, 376 miles this far, and I've got about another 146 to go, and it's 19 degrees, which is lovely, and really nice blue sky. This is Glasgow. Well, I made it to Loch Fyne. Here it is. That's the sunny end, and that's the overcast and probably rainy end at the moment. A rain shower came through as I arrived. I think that's it, just passing through over there. But I think they just come over the mountains and then dump their water in the loch on the way past, and that's the way these things work here. But anyway, so I found the hovercraft encampment. I met up with Ronnie down the beach outside my hotel earlier. That's his craft there. See Nick Flint's craft is over there, and got a little barley over there. And I know that Steve and John are out somewhere. Not sure where they are and what time they're going to be back. It's currently 3:30 nearly, so I'll probably just hang around and see when they come back, and then we can have a good old catch up. But the first time I've ever been here, I've been meaning to come to this cruise for, I don't know, 10 years I think it's been running, but I'm always working around about the last week in May, and it's all usually on. There's always something, or I haven't got a craft, so it's just one of those things that have never happened. So ironically this year I've got 2 crafts and none of them are working during this week, and I've not really had well, I've had the time to sort things out, but I can't really get to the bottom of the problem with the marlin, and not had time to look at the osprey. I need to rebuild anyway. But I don't know, maybe one day that craft or another will come up here with me, and we'll get to explore it at last. We shall see.